all, Chaos Subrocks here. This is Subrocks Basics, and we're going to be covering your channel. Your channel is one of the most important parts of your Subrocks career. We're going to be covering the 2012 one because that's the default user experience. So your channel. What is your channel? Your channel has it's you. It has all your videos, it lets you customize it, your feeds, it lets you update your views, and much more. You will notice you have a subscribers count on the top, right, a total video view count on the top right as well. This is how many views all your videos get in total. So if you add all of them up, what's this? This is your subscribers. Subscribers are people, are like followers. Basically people who are dedicated to your content and want to be updated on your content. This is your title. Now, you can, your avatar, is recommended to be 800 by 800. This is basically your presence and, will show you and, will appear in comments and whatnot. Now, your background. Now, you can either have a colored background like this, or you can make your own background. I will leave a link in the description for a template of this. However, take in mind that it's not totally accurate, because this is slightly different dimensions than the 2012 one, but it will definitely be a pretty good baseline. And now, let's cover some other aspects, your tabs. Tabs are basically ways of organizing your channel. Now, I tend to go everything, but feed will show you recent comments and videos from you, which is the default. Blogger, a reverse chronological list of your recent uploads or a featured playlist. Network, a featured video from a playlist with a group of channels featured. Everything. A featured video from a playlist with a group of featured plays. This is recommended for if you're doing an MCN or something. This is what I'd recommend if you just like a channel like mine where I make playlists and all. Blogger, I'd recommend either doing this or that. This you can also use that, but I would only recommend using that for an MCN. Is there anything else I can really think of? Oh, the info and tab. This will give you a website, so you can link yourself to any website here. So I linked it to my own personal page, but you can link it to anything. This is what channels you can feature. I misspelled. This is the description. You can write a little paragraph or two about you and your channel. You can feature a video. Now, to feature a video, what we gotta do is we gotta go and find one. I'm gonna probably pick this video because it's my favorite. We're gonna be grabbing the watch URL. So we're gonna be grabbing this little URL. I mean this little thing from your video. So we're gonna be pasting it in here and click done editing. And it will show you there. So this is all I have for pretty much all I have for Subrocks Basics channel editing. This is pretty much it. See you in the next one, guys. Like, subscribe, guys. Have a wonderful day, guys, and goodbye.